Oh, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting news. The new beta version of openSUSE Lib 16 is out and it's coming with the new online installer. So I thought we will try to take a really quick look, hopefully really quick look at this new installer. This is my first time looking at this. So hopefully it's good and it's better, not that the old one was bad. So let's check it out. And by the way, guys, this is a quick virtual machine. I hope we will not have any problems because of it. So let's see. All right, select a product. Okay, interesting. I want to go with the new Lib 16 beta, so let's select that. Configuring the product, please wait. Okay, definitely different look. Localization, storage, software, host name, okay. Use static host name. Well, this is a virtual machine, so I guess this should be okay. Let's call this machine lib16 for now. Accept. Host name successfully updated. Okay, let's check it out the localization. Language, English, it's fine with me. Keyboard, English is fine. The time zone, it's not really correct, but it's not going to bother me so much, so I am going to leave it. Let's see if we want to change the keyboard or add another one. Shouldn't be that hard. Let's see if we have British English. Okay. All right. You have all the available English languages. But we will stick with the English US. Let's go to the network. This again is a virtual machine, so we will be using our host network. The storage, oh wow. Okay, installation devices, use dev to install the boot. All content will be deleted. Delete current content, shrink existing partitions, use available space custom. Okay, new partitions will be created for root and swap. Okay, sounds about right. You have the option for encryption separately if you want to go and do that. You can look for more devices, hard drives and stuff. What other options there is? Change boot options, reset to default, configure ISCSI, Discover Connect. I am not really sure what this is, so I'm not touching it right now. And you have the result here. Make sure everything is okay. Make sure you have backed up all your data before you try and install this software. Let's go to the software. Installation will take 2 gigabytes. This space includes the base system and the selected software patterns, if any. Selected patterns, AC, Linux support, security enhanced Linux. Okay, let's go to the change selection. Help and support documentation, GNOME desktop environment Wayland. Okay, so here you select the desktop environment first and all the software management tools. Okay, so we are not using that because I was a little bit nervous because of it. I started to really like the Yast installer. it gives you so much opportunities and so much customization during the installation process. Not that you cannot do it after, but it's nice to install, to select and unselect wherever you need or wherever you don't need. So let's go with the GNOME desktop. I don't need the help and support documentation. Yeah, let's go with the KVM virtualization. This is a virtual machine again, software management. This pattern provides a graphical application and command line tool for keeping your system up to date. Okay, we definitely need that. Desktop functions, multimedia, multimedia player, sound editing tools, video and image manipulation, applications. Okay, we're gonna leave this ticked up. Okay, we're gonna leave this ticked on. Office software, let's see if we take this out. File server, we don't need that. Mail, news server, internet gateway, DHCP and DNS. This is more for advanced and Linux server administrators, I guess. Primary functions, I'm not really sure what this exactly is, so I will leave this. Now we have the pattern for cockpit. I'm not entirely sure, but I know they are trying and they are working towards this cockpit to replace the YAST, which is kind of sad. So a web-based remote system management interface. So we will select that, of course. I guess that's it. That's all the options there is. What is the authentication? Root user password not defined, public SSH. Okay, this is cool. Define a new user. Let's call this new user lib16. Okay, strong and complicated password, of course. You have created your first user. You can discard, you can edit if you want. Okay, that's cool. And that's it. Now all we have to do is just click install and see what's happening. If you continue, partitions on your hard disk will be modified according to the provided installation settings. Please cancel and check the settings if you are unsure. This is what we were talking about before. Make sure you backed up all your important data before you click continue here, and make sure you selected the right hard disk. I am sure, so click continue, and okay, that's it, I guess. Installing 11 of 2016 packages. All right, I guess that's it. Well, my thoughts. Well, this installer looks definitely different. Like a person like me who was so used to the YAST installer, it's going to take a little bit time to get used to. But I think it's not that bad. I think you have almost all the same options on different places. You have to play a little bit more before you get familiar with the installer. Plus, you see the installer only once, right? So I think I am going to end up the video here. I hope to see and hear from you guys. What do you think about this new installer? Have you tried it? Are you happy with it? Or you want to stick with the old YAST one? So please leave your comments down in the comment section down below. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!